The Stradman unveils his new Ferrari, Carsacrosstexas is already buying another car, and this new YouTuber is following the footsteps of TJ Hunt. All this and more on today's episode of Sinclair News. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Sinclair News. I'm your host, Sinclair Photos, and today we have a juicy one for you guys. But before we get into that, I just want to let you guys know we're still doing the $100 giveaway at 20,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel or digging the format, please hit that subscribe button and you may win $100. Your odds now are better than ever. As the subscribers go up, your odds go down. So I'd get in while the gettings are good. So our first story today is of the Stradman. He finally unveiled his new Ferrari car. We all said it was a red Ferrari and nobody guessed it correctly. And I sure as heck did not think he was going to buy the car he did. But for all those who haven't already seen his Instagram post and his video, he bought a F430 challenge car. Put pictures of it up on the screen right now. This thing is absolutely insane. I'll let you guys go over to his channel and check out the video of just how crazy this thing sounds and just take it all in, because I was certainly not imagining him buying an actual race car for the channel. I don't know what he's going to be able to do with this thing, but he said he was going to put Utah plates on it and drive this thing around like a daily driver. Now, if I know anything about Ferrari challenge cars, they are not meant to be daily driven, so I'd really like to see where this goes for his channel and what I was going to do to it. It's pretty modded out already, got a roll cage, got the straight pipes, got all that stuff already, got a wing. But I think he said he's going to take the wing off, but I don't know. I just hope he doesn't wrap it damn purple and put white wheels on it. I would have to hit that unsubscribe button if he did that. But we'll have to see in the future. If you guys are hyped for this or you're questioning it just like myself, please leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd like to see where this takes his channel and the content he'll create with it. And with that being said, on to our second story. Our second story today is from our boy Drew, Carsacrosstexas. Y'all really liked me talking about them too last time, so we're gonna do the same thing this time. He posted on his story the other day a little teaser of his new car he may be getting after he crashed the Z06. All I'm gonna say is, yeah, ZR1 coming soon, question mark, exclamation mark. Or he was also talking about waiting and getting a C8 Corvette. Apparently one of our buddies can get it to him for MSRP, so that'd be absolutely sick. You just have to wait a little bit longer for that one. But seeing a ZR1 coming to his channel will be very exciting, and it's already heavily modified. I'll put the mod list he sent me up on the screen right now. Let me know what you guys think about this. Should he step it up a notch and get the ZR1, wait a little bit and get the regular C8 Corvette, which is the new mid-engine Corvette, coming in probably, I'd say late 2020 for like normal people that aren't already on the list to get one? Or, I don't know, should he get a truck? Let me know in the comment section below. Go help him out, hit the subscribe button for him on his channel. He's at 28.9K, I believe. So help him get that final push to 29K. Big things coming soon for his channel. I'm very excited to see him bounce back from such a tragic incident and build to become something greater. That is what the most important part is. If you get knocked down, you gotta get back up. Little motivational speech for you guys from your boy, Sinclair Speech. On to our third and final story today. I found a YouTuber a little while ago. Haven't really talked about him much on the channel yet. His YouTube channel is called Baycon, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong if you're watching this dude, but I love his videos. He has a lot more FRS BRZ content if you're wanting more of that. He does some crazy stuff. He's got a different body kit on, I'm not sure what it is, and it's like painted purple, or it was, and he sanded it and painted it gray himself. And yeah, he does everything himself. If you're wanting to see more of like the modding the cars, figure out the funny things to do, all that stuff, that's what his channel is mainly about. And he just picked up like a junkyard 350Z, or his girlfriend did, and they're building that car together. So I'm gonna be interested in watching that segment on his channel. I'm interested in seeing where it's gonna go, what the build's gonna look like when it's all done. So if you're excited or you don't even know who that is, go over to his channel. Link will be at the top of the description. Go ahead, subscribe to him, and let you know Sinclair Photos sent you, baby. And with all that being said today, that is our final story of the day. If you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button. It means a lot to me. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day, spend a couple minutes here and get caught up for a little bit of car community news. We're making great headway. Our last video got over 2,000 views, which is our most viewed news video yet. So I hope you guys are continuing to like it. If you do, please leave a comment. If you want me to change anything, please leave a comment. I read them all, I respond to them all, and I'm trying to make this news exactly what you guys are looking for. And if you guys know any news stories, feel free to DM me on Instagram at Sinclair Photos, and that'll just help us create more amazing content for you guys to learn and enjoy. So always remember, watch the best and skip the rest. If you like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.